How to install texture packs in Minecraft. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to get texture packs in Minecraft. So without delaying any further, let's get started. Now to get started, open Minecraft Bedrock or Java, then simply click on settings button on the home screen. Then within settings, scroll down until you find the global resources option and click on it. Then if you have any texture or resource pack installed manually or as DLC, they will appear under my packs in this section. If there is nothing available here, click on view more packs button. Then unlike Minecraft Java, you can find a variety of free and paid texture packs in Minecraft Marketplace. You can even search for specific themed texture packs. Click on the one that interests you. Finally, click the free or price button on the texture pack page. It is located in the top right corner. If you are buying the texture pack, you will have to enter payment related information to complete the purchase, but if it's a free pack, it will be visible in your account right away. So in this very simple step, you could install texture packs in your Minecraft. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.